If you want to delete a chat in ChatGPT on your Samsung Galaxy A56, here's how to do it quickly and safely. First, open the ChatGPT on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Tap ChatGPT, and then tap menu icon to open chat history. Next, select chat you want to delete. For example 1. Press and hold, and then select delete to delete. Okay, are you sure you want to delete this chat? To clear any memories from the chat, visit your settings. Keep in mind, once deleted, this chat cannot be recovered. Okay, tap delete to delete or tap cancel if you want to cancel. Okay, press and hold and then tap delete to delete. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.